Hello, everyone. Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon. Amber Hawkins, your computer needs of Toledo LLC, celebrating year number 17 of the motto, computer training more that comes to you. More information can be found at yourcomputerneeds.net. I want to say to everyone, some say Easter, some say Resurrection Sunday. Happy Resurrection Sunday. Happy Easter. Well, belated anyway. Hope everyone's holiday weekend was wonderful, was peaceful, and also everyone stayed safe. Those who tuned in for the 5-day series on computer maintenance, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. You can find the replays of all of them on Facebook, actually, in the Black Women Promotes group. Hello there, fellow BW Queens. Hope all is going well. It's going to be uploaded also on Your Computer Needs of Toledo LLC's company page. The other platforms, as far as LinkedIn, Instagram, well, reels of it anyway, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, you'll be able to see the series. I think you're catching a theme here. So again, thank you all so much. I asked a question, I posed a question as far as should I do a 5-day series on how to shop for today's devices. And not too many people responded. I was like, I said, this is interesting. Anyway, for the few who responded, guess what? I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. In my professional opinion, I feel it needs to be done because there are a lot of people who know, which is true. There are also those who don't know and those who need a review. From the years of doing business, this is what I found out to be as far as these three categories, especially in the computers and technology world. Either people know, don't know, or need a review / refresher, however you want to put it. I need to make this short. I do not want to be long. There may be a day or two I will have to expound on what I'm talking about, but the goal is to keep everything 10 minutes or less. Let me mention 3 mistakes quickly when it comes to shopping for devices. Let me mention what I mean by devices. Anything in the computer and technology world, computers and accessories, your laptops, your desktops, your tablets, your smartphones, your thumb drives, your external disk drives, your servers, your Ethernet cords or cables. I've heard people say that interchangeably. Your wires, your workstations. I'm going to include drones in this. Yes, your drones, your virtual reality accessories and software, antivirus software, any software you use or devices that you use to protect yourself cybersecurity wise, all of that. That's what's going to happen this week. Mistake number 1, you have people who think that many laptops currently and desktops currently have the DVD and CD drives. That is not the case. Devices these days, if you need something external, you're going to have to get a flash drive / jump drive. It is a small device. You put in your USB slot of your device. And I've not seen it really with smartphones, but I have seen it with tablets. You can get an adapter or get an external attachment that will help you connect your flash drive or jump drive to a tablet. I have seen that, and I've seen that done. You are not shopping for devices from 5 years ago. You're not shopping for computers, laptops, desktops from 10 years ago. You're not even shopping for those particular type of devices from even 20 years ago. You're going to have to get those type of devices from yesteryear out of your mind. Know that you are shopping for today's devices that are currently out, which due diligence, you must do your research or pay someone to do the research for you. I think you're getting the hint here. Let me go to mistake number 2. You purchase these devices and you think you have a very large hard drive when you really don't have the hard drive that you think you have. Let me put it this way. I usually use the example of a paper plate and a dessert plate. You buy your equipment, I'll call it. You think you have a lot of room, but you find out that you didn't have a lot of room. Why is that? The reason is because you didn't carefully read the specifications of whatever you are purchasing. You need to check to see if you have a large enough hard drive to handle what you need to handle, especially if you're a person who deals with a lot of videos, deals with a lot of pictures, deals with a lot of audio, be it music or instrumental, following copyright laws, of course. You have a lot of files, industry-wise, whatever your industry is, documents and extremely large files. Some people have a combination. Some people have all of what I mentioned. Many different types of devices don't have as large hard drives as you think. You have to look at the details of the device carefully. Your device has a dessert size hard drive, but you really needed a device of a paper plate size hard drive. For those who haven't made the connection, when you get a chance to go to the store and check out regular size paper plates, look at the difference of the two. I think you'll make the connection there. Mistake number 3, the hard drive these days is the only place you can save your files. There's the probably the thinking at this time. Oh, people should already know that, right? Not necessarily. No. The software such as Dropbox, such as G Drive or Google Drive in the cloud, you could say as it's called, even some of your email services have online storage. You got to think online storage, because whatever you have to retrieve, you have to retrieve quickly. You have to retrieve at lightning fast speed. You have to retrieve on demand. You have to retrieve on the spot. Can you upload? Can you share? Can you send these files in a zip folder? How is this all done? This is done online. And you may need to, if you have saved any files in a central location, upload from that place instead of looking all over the place for this file, looking all over the place for that file, looking in this folder for this particular file when you saved it in the other folder and you forgot that you did. And then the next thing you know, this was needed 10 minutes ago, but it took you an hour and a half to find everything. Quick scenario, and then I'll get out of your way. Sorry, everyone. Give me a few more minutes. I was afraid I was going to go over, but this scenario is very important. Give me a few minutes and we'll be done. Let me take my fellow entrepreneurs. Hey there, how are you? You're in the midst of trying to submit for a bid or submit for a contract or submit for a proposal. You need to upload everything from the budget to the income statement, to the cash flow statement, to the balance sheet, to your certification, to your vendor's licenses, to any other required documents, photo ID, all that. It is, let's say, 11:54 a.m. your time zone. Guess when this is all due? This is all due in 6 minutes, and the clock is ticking. But did you save everything in one place? No. Do you have enough room on your device? Barely. Are you looking all over the place because you forgot where you saved everything? Definitely. This is all happening. And guess what? The 6 minutes has turned into 2.5 because it took you that time, because you finally got a hold in everything. Now you're down to 2 minutes and time's not stopping. It's still ticking. All of a sudden, your laptop or your desktop or whatever you're using to upload all these documents that are needed is having issues. It is now 11:59 and 30 seconds. Your time zone. Everything finally corrects itself on your device. It is, guess what time? 11:59.85 a.m. your time zone. And guess what? After sweating bullets and all of that, everything went through and you got the confirmation at 11:59 your time zone in the AM. Everything finally uploaded. Hallelujah and all that. But guess how this could have been avoided? And guess what? Day 2 of this tomorrow. I thank everybody for tuning in. Please make sure you share this video and also check for all the links posted on all these social media platforms where you see it. Let me mention quickly the virtual workshop, the virtual masterclass. The first one, yay. Simple computer maintenance for busy entrepreneurs. May 7th, 2022. Cost is $85. If you text to 419-304-4564, you will get $10 off. And I'm going to be nice. It was supposed to be ending today. Everybody has until April 19th by 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. P as in Paul, S as in Sam, T as in Tom. If you do not have it by then, you'll have to pay the $85. Amber Hawkins, your computer needs of Toledo, LLC, celebrating your number 17, a computer training that more that comes to you. Take care, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Day 2 tomorrow. Bye-bye.